Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to view your TikTok watch history. TikTok watch history lets you review videos you have previously watched. This is helpful if you forgot to like or save a video and want to find it again. To get started, open the TikTok app. Then go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Activity Center. Now tap on Watch History. You can tap any video in this list to open it again. You can also use this section to quickly find videos you want to save, or share. You've now learned how to access TikTok watch history using the Activity Center. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.